Ever wondered what it takes to really transform a room completely from the ground up? Today, I'm peeling back layers of the past, literally. We're stripping old wallpaper to make way for a fresh, European-inspired space. And let's just say, it's not as romantic as it sounds.
We get to find pretty rock.
Here she is, the wallpaper that's seen better decades. It's giving vintage in, not vintage charm. But beneath it all is a chance to start completely fresh. I'm going for a Swedish country look in here, lots of light pinks and blues. Got my trusty wallpaper steamer. I haven't used it in several years, so hopefully it'll still work. Before steaming off the paper, I score it with this wallpaper scorer that puts these teeny little holes in it, and then the steam can get behind there and soften the glue. Step 1, patience. Step 2, more patience. The steamer is supposed to loosen the glue, but sometimes, well, it just takes a little extra coaxing. But when it works, oh, that sound. It's the perfect peel. It's really satisfying. Yeah, in a little bit. It's messy, humid, and a little gross, but also incredibly satisfying. It's like exfoliating your house. Each strip feels like a fresh start, and I cannot wait to see what is underneath this paper. Blank slate, at least on this wall. These walls have definitely seen trends come and go, but really they've only had 2 things on them in all this time: a light coat of paint and then this one coat of wallpaper. And I'm hoping to give them something equally timeless this time around. My goal is a space that feels like an old French farmhouse kissed by Swedish light. This was step 1 of my European room transformation, stripping back the past so the new can take shape. Next time, we repair the walls and start choosing colors. Tell me in the comments what you think, and hit subscribe if you love seeing rooms reborn one layer at a time.